Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use files and attachments in Asana, whether you're sharing important documents with your team or keeping resources organized within specific tasks. Mastering file attachments will streamline your project management workflow and ensure everyone has access to the materials they need. First, head over to the Asana web app and navigate to the project where you need to add attachments. Once you're viewing your project, click directly on the task you want to attach files to. This will open the task details pane on the right side of your screen, giving you access to all the information and options related to that specific task. In the task details pane, look for the paperclip icon labeled Attach Files. This icon is your gateway to adding any type of document, image, or file to your task. Click on it to reveal your attachment options. You'll see choices for uploading files directly from your computer or connecting to cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox. This flexibility means you can attach files from wherever they're stored, making it incredibly convenient for teams that use multiple platforms. If you're uploading from your computer, select Upload a File, then browse through your folders to locate the document you need. Once you've found it, click Open to begin the upload process. Asana will process the file, and within moments you'll see it appear in the Tasks Attachments section. This visual confirmation ensures that your file is properly linked to the task and accessible to all team members with access to that project. Now, managing these attachments is just as important as adding them. To download any attachment that's been added to a task, simply click the drop-down arrow next to the file name. From the menu that appears, select Download Attachment. This makes it easy to save copies of important files to your local device whenever you need them for offline work or reference. If you need to remove an attachment, perhaps because an updated version needs to replace it or the file is no longer relevant, click the same drop-down arrow next to the file. This time select Delete Attachment from the menu. This keeps your task clean and ensures team members only see the most current and relevant files. And that's how you effectively manage files and attachments in Asana, keeping your projects organized and your team's resources accessible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.